Hi, we are a professional engaged in high-level, intelligent equipment customer. The overall integration of factory automation and industrial robot system application of modern science and technology enterprises. Friend mainly covers the new energy, auto parts, precision electronic appliances, hardware lock, intelligent factory system 5 areas. We have a lot of experience in making assembly, machines and equipment that not only run, send ably, but also produce efficiently. If you want to buy a machine to upgrade your factory, please contact me.